professional sound.
Hey guys, I'm Adam Carswell, and today I'm here with my buddy Marwin Benmtir. Marwin and I play team handball together for the DC Diplomats, 2017 national champions. And Marwin actually has his own glass repair company, and so I wanted to get him on here today so he can kind of share with us the services that he provides and also tell us a little bit about himself. So Marwin, it's your turn.
Hi, how are you everybody? So yeah, my name is Marwin Benmtir. I've been playing with my buddy handball for a few years now, and yeah, recently just started a glass repair company for residential and commercial properties. So if you guys need any windows, you know, patio doors, anything, emergency calls 24/7, you just, you know, call us on safetyglassrepair.com. So that's the company name, or my phone number is 202-569-0195. Me and my team would be happy to serve you on the DMV area 24/7.
And we're actually at the Blessing Cafe right now, and our food just got ready. The owner came outside and just waved to us. But yeah, so door repair, window repair, anything glass related.
Yes.
You guys will service that.
Yeah, anything for houses, buildings, you know, commercial and residential.
And
so,
your radius is the Washington, D.C. area?
the whole metropolitan area.
Okay.
So anywhere in Maryland, D.C., Virginia, around here. So we are here 24/7.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks, Marwin, and thank you for sharing with us.
My pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, let's go eat and take it
Okay.
to the next level.
All right. Thank you. See ya.